Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to withdraw fiat currency from Kraken in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go ahead on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and password. Once that's done, you're going to navigate to the withdrawal page by simply clicking on the withdraw tab. So click on the withdraw tab. It's going to take you to the withdrawal page where you can select the fiat currency that you want to withdraw from the drop down menu, and just enter the amount of fiat currency that you want to withdraw. And next, you're going to select the withdrawal method, such as wire transfer or SEPA transfer. So go ahead and choose the one that suits you. And once you're done with that, you want to enter the withdrawal details, such as your bank account number and your routing number. Be sure to enter the accurate account number and routing number, just so you won't have any issues executing this. Once that's done, confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the withdraw button and just wait for the withdrawal to be processed by Kraken. That's pretty much it on how to withdraw fiat currency from Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next